right, drivers, gate 3 is open. Keep the line moving.
Copy that. Moving to gate 3.
All right, bring it back slowly now. Good. And stop. Hold it right there.
Only the freshest golden sweet corn from VT, processed daily. The automated system ensures efficient separation of organic materials.
Watch this one, it's bruised. Yeah, toss it. We need the good stuff for the VT run. Keep the flow consistent on line 3. We're seeing some backup near the cutters.
As you can see, the kernels are perfectly aligned. We ensure only the highest quality before the next stage. The rollers keep it moving smoothly.
Keep the belts moving. We need this batch washed by noon. Okay, I'm increasing the water pressure now.
The flow rate looks optimized for the silos.
Agreed, the VT system is running smoothly today.
A mesmerizing cascade of golden sweet corn. The buckets lift them higher before they tumble into the grinder.
According to this, we have capacity in the main hopper. All right, let's keep it moving then.
The density on this batch is slightly lower.
Let's adjust the feed rate slightly and recheck. Keep the flow steady. We need to monitor the dirt output closely this hour.
Understood. The adjustments are complete.
Check the moisture levels again on the south side. Copy that, running the test now.
Check the flow rate on tank 4. We're showing a slight pressure drop here.
Confirmed. Adjusting the pump cycle now.
The moisture level is stabilizing now. Good, we can increase the flow rate.
The sulfur levels look consistent with the last batch.
Good, let's maintain the temperature at 85.
The swelling rate on VAT 3 is slightly low.
Adjust the water temperature by 2 degrees Celsius. The consistency looks good.
Yeah, let's keep the flow steady.
Adjusting the moisture now.
Check the mash, is it coarse enough? Yes, seems perfect for the next stage.
As the spindle rotates, the resistance is measured, providing a precise viscosity reading for this batch of cream corn. The homogenizer forces the cream corn through a narrow gap at high pressure, breaking down the texture into a smooth, velvety consistency.
smooth texture, slightly acidic notes on the palate.
I agree, but the finish is exceptionally clean.
Note the viscosity is slightly low.
Look how smoothly it fills the can. Absolutely perfect.
The 12-nozzle rotary filler ensures uniform and precise filling of every can, minimizing product loss.
Cream-style sweet corn.
Corn starch powder production.
The filling is complete. Move the yellow bag to the pallet.
Acknowledged, moving the bag now.
Initiate the next fill for the yellow bag.
Изволим антарифмовать скананер андесква. Байфой мекиритачна рассымем поникрана. Какванок ми ангидам стан строжни семилипко.
Everything looks good here. The count matches the manifest. Excellent work.
The steam is creating the perfect consistency. Look at how creamy that is.
Adding the sugar and salt, and now in slow motion, the natural butter flavor drops.
Listen to the soft thuds as they vibrate across the screen.